welcome. My name is Anthony Bilirin and I'm going to discuss about the theories in language and culture. So before I'm going to discuss, do you have any idea what is theories in language and culture? Okay, so first let us define what is language and also let us define what is culture. Before I'm going to discuss my topic, here are the objectives of the study. At the end of this topic, as a student, you should be able to first identify the different theories of anthropological linguists, differentiate linguistic determinism from linguistic relativity, and relate the different theories of society and language. What is language? Language is defined as system for communication, of course. So language can be written or spoken, but some psychologists define language more broadly. So language is defined as the system for communication. Language also can be written or spoken. In addition, language also kanang gesture or body movement. So the to facilitate communication. So that is language. Okay, so what is culture? So culture is defined as a set of ideas, behavior, attitudes, and tradition that exist with large group of people such as families, countries, ethnicities, or religion. So culture is a very understandable kabalo naman mga anak ko. What is culture? Culture is a collection of kanang values, belief, or a group of people that have a common practices or they live in a same society. So that is culture. Okay, so now let us proceed to the different theories. First is we have the theory of Chomsky. So according to Noam Chomsky, he believed that children are born with all of the structures necessary to create language and that they instinctively know how to use them. So each child has the ability to acquire further language and structures because the categories for language already exist within their brain. So Chomsky daw believed na children would never acquire language strictly from practices because language acquisition is alone does not give a children tools they need kay that since the children was born is kung asa na siya gikan nga society that language he or she can adapt. That is why Chomsky believed. So now let us proceed to the other theory. So we have here the theory of Vygotsky. So according to Lev Vygotsky, a psychologist who lived and worked in the Soviet Union in the 1920s and 1930s, he wrote that the language and culture are closely interrelated. In fact, Vygotsky said that language and culture connection precede learning and cognitive development. So, according to Vygotsky, he said that social interaction between people and watching and learning from other people's speakers, it's how the child acquire knowledge. So next is the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. So what is Sapir-Whorf hypothesis? So refers to the idea that the language person speaks can influence their worldview, thought, and even how they experience and understand the world. So it means the language a person speaks influences how they think. So if the person have a different languages, they also have a different perceive about the world. So that is why a language have a different worldview. So next we have the cultural linguistics. So what is cultural linguistics? So a discipline with multidisciplinary origins that explore relationship between language and cultural conceptualization. So it is a sub-branch of linguists that draws on theories and methods to the other discipline. That is cultural linguistics. So next we have the so next so we have the interactionalist theory. So what is interactionalist theory? So, a sociological perspective that examines how people interaction with others shape their understanding of the world around them. So, interactionalist theory kanang is based on the idea that people are active participant in the society, not just kanang a passive participant, but also they are an active participant in the society. So that is interactionalist theory. So next we have the cultural schemas. So what is cultural schemas? So mental structure that help so cultural schemas is the mental structure that help people understand their culture and navigate the world around them. So it means they are shared they are shared with pattern and of thoughts and behavior that guide how people interact with their environment. So that is cultural schemas. Next is the linguistic determinism. So what is linguistic determinism? So linguistic determinism. So the idea that language determines how people think, perceive the world, and process the information. So linguistic determinism, it means that suggests that the world of the structure of language shape a person's belief, thought, and their cultural values. That is linguistic determinism. And that is all my report was all about. And then let's have a quiz. Oh, quiz. Okay, let's have a quiz. And I'm going to call one of you, then you're going to stand up and identify what is that question. So it is a safer work or cultural, what is it? So the first question is this help people understand their culture and navigate the world around them. So who wants to answer that question? I will give you a 1 minute to volunteer and stand up and share us your answer. Okay. Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. So the answer is cultural schemas. So everybody clap your hands. Next is it refers to the idea that the language a person speaks can influence their worldview, thought, and even how they experience and understand the world. So okay, Mr. Bantolino, you are raising your hand. Could you please stand? Mm, okay, thank you for that wonderful question. So let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, safer world hypothesis. It is correct. Next, we have number three question. So, define language and culture in your own opinion. So, I will give you 2 minutes to give your opinion about the language and culture. Okay, who wants to volunteer to answer? Could you please stand? Okay, so, 2 minutes. Okay, so time's up, and that was a wonderful answer. So next question is number four, a discipline with mm, multidisciplinary origins that explores the relationship between language and cultural conceptualization. So, what kind of theory is that? Theory ba na siya? Okay, okay, what a wonderful answer. So, the answer is cultural linguistic. So, number five, let's examine how people interaction with other shape their understanding of the world around them. So, who wants to answer? Okay, Miss Parao, Mr. Parao, you want to answer? Okay. Sige, tindog. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. So, the answer is interactionalist theory. So, next question. I blank believe that children are born with all the structures necessary to create language, and they instinctively know how to use them. So what kind of theory is that? So we got only have tooth theory according to Noam Chomsky or Kang Vygotsky. So just pick one of them. Immediately. Okay, correct. Kaya nakita na kayo ng answer. So the last question is, what was my report all about? So anyone from boys at the back, so who wants to want to answer? I will give you 2 minutes to answer, or 1 minute today. Okay, thank you for that wonderful question, and that's the end of my report. And thank you, ma'am.